I got the package here. Showed up at my front door. Now, most of you may not know this, but you can order Cali bamboo samples on Amazon.com. We only sell samples on Amazon.com. And I get a lot of questions on Amazon.com about where to get actual flooring or decking. But we only sell samples there, and it's not prime right now. So it may take a few more days, but let's see, I ordered this one on Thursday the 8th, and it actually got here Saturday the 10th at about 9:30, 10 o'clock a.m. So that's less than 2 days to get this sample. I ordered this one. This should be vintage port, so it should be a nice dark color. Let's open this guy up. Okay. From time to time, we like to order these samples from ourselves just to see, you know, how it shows up and if everything's packaged nicely and everything's in order. You get a Cali bamboo catalog with every order of samples. Some green tissue paper. This is a thank you note for our Amazon customers, and it's got a special little offer in there. And yep, here's the vintage port wide plank flooring sample I ordered. So you see that there, and it has all of the contact information on the sample here. You got the phone number and the website. So yeah, so this looks good. I'm happy to see that the samples are coming correctly and everything looks nice and orderly. Now, what am I going to do with this sample, you might ask? Well, I've seen people turn these into coasters. I've seen people turn them into doorstops. I've even seen somebody take a bunch of these and make a birdhouse out of them, which sounds kind of cool. But I think I'm going to take this sample right here and make a triangle peg game out of this one. So look for my next video. The link should be up here in the corner, up there somewhere, to watch the triangle peg game DIY project for this sample. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.